like to do
carbon pieces. The exhaust. What size wheels on here? Is these 22s? Wow.
If you want any coffee or food or anything, we have some.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. But it's the first edition as well. And I'll show you guys the inside of these cars in a bit. I got here a little early so I can have enough time to film before I gotta head back in town. But yeah, that's one. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look at that. Alright, take a look, take a look. Rear seating package. You said you can close the door while you're in here?
Yeah, so you can see right in the middle.
Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen that.
So pressing that button will close the door.
All right, let's try this out. Yo, that's cold. That's cold. Nice.
The screen comes out too, but yeah, those seats, like those are the airline seats.
Okay, okay.
So they extend, and you have like a whole lot more customized leg adjustment underneath as well.
Look at these bolsters.
Max has it inside.
All right, so let's brighten it up a little bit in here.
Max. No.
There we go. Get a little bright in here. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
I think this is my.
It's your favorite?
Yeah, I mean,
out of these three?
Yeah, just because like the color spec and it's the extended wheelbase and just being, you know, on the taller side, having that much more level of comfort is just very appreciated.
Let's see how much space we can get. I'm gonna move the seat up.
Yeah.
What's this color? What's this color called?
The exterior.
The exterior.
That's the Mulliner two-tone.
Mulliner two-tone.
So it's the black crystal over ice.
Okay, okay.
And then the interior is beluga.
Famous beluga black.
Yeah, so you have this make your own Bentley, so you can actually have the ability to sign into the vehicle so that whenever you get into another Bentley, you can just put in your credentials and all the adjustments and features and characteristics will load that are yours specifically. So
That's
each Bentley
crazy.
Feels like your own Bentley.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Just have your Bentley follow you around.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, look at this thing. Step into the luxury SUV.
Remove yourself from the world.
Yep.
Back into the world of luxury.
No matter what you choose,
No matter
it's
what.
all the same feeling.
It's all
Same feeling.
Yeah.
From the SUV to the convertible to the Flying Spur.
Exactly. 3 totally different cars, all with the same driving capabilities.
Yeah, look at the legroom.
Yeah.
Oh, they got the chair right here. How do you put the the footrest down?
I believe it's in the screen.
Okay.
Let's
figure that out.
It down before.
Airline seats.
So yeah, that's the seat that extends the leg. So that might be in that aspect of it.
The VIP business, relax.
That's part of the airline.
That's dope. Oh, hold to move seat.
So it does all of it.
Wow.
As far as it goes.
I believe so. That is insane. In an SUV. In an SUV, this is insane. Wow.
Luxury.
Wow. This is what you get when you buy the extended wheelbase Bentayga. And this is does this have a special edition?
So this is the first edition. So
First edition, right.
First edition.
Okay.
So there's a lot of features that when a car's released that, they come with a lot of features out of the box that otherwise would be probably separately equipped. So, they have that for this one specifically. So extended wheelbase first edition. So this one's pretty special all the way around.
Yeah, I can tell.
The panoramic is huge.
Yep.
Like we were saying in the previous one, just letting in just the right amount of light.
Quick too.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I almost forgot that we were in sport mode. Like, hold on real quick.
Yeah, the technology in these vehicles is insane.
Yeah.
All right, let's check out the front seat of this thing. Woo. Look at it, y'all. This thing is gorgeous. Gorgeous. The two-tone. I actually like the two-tone on this Bentley. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's hop in. Alright, stay tuned to the video. See more. In order to start the massage function, you tap it?
You press it.
Press
so
it
towards the front, just like a round button.
Okay. Oh, that same round button. Okay, it's in all the Bentleys. Okay. Press it.
You see, at the very, very front. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. It's a different one. Okay,
yeah,
okay,
like
not the round one. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So you press that button. Stretch.
Press it again.
I feel
doing it.
Yep, I feel it.
Just like the intensity. I want, wave me through.
What's wave like?
It's like
all the way up and down?
Yeah, like waving through the whole thing.
Yeah, let's do the wave. Oh, we got the intensity on high too.
Absolutely.
Alright, why not? Alright guys, we got the Bentley Bentayga in sport. Let's see how it sounds. Nice.
Right.
For an SUV, an extended wheelbase SUV at that.
At that, yeah. A little bit more extra.
Oh, definitely extra weight.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you bought an extended wheelbase for the comfort, really for the back seat.
Yeah. Yeah, with the airline seat on top of it is just that extra space. Like the utility of the extra space.
Mm-hmm.
You can still feel pretty enclosed with the privacy glass. Control the shade, so let all the light in, make all the lights close, or let the light in and cut the light back off, kind of situation.
Turning right around here. I feel like it. Right here, right?
Yep.
I know the route.
Right? I was like, I knew it. I just looked at the map just in case. I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is coming up, like, because it gets real foresty.
Yep.
Then it gets real industrial again right after.
This is one heck of a route though.
Yeah.
I like it.
But, yeah.
Make a left right here.
Mm-hmm. So like that really shapes the whole experience. You know what I mean? And